Assalamu alaikum. Zamanum Shekiba Day. My name is Shekiba and I'm teaching Pashto, and you could find some more information about COVID in link below. Truth Richtia. Truth Richtia. Telling the truth is good. Telling the truth always is good. همیشه باید رختیا خبری بگو. Or I should say we always should talk the truth. همیشه مو باید رختیا خبری بگو. همیشه always the رختیا the truth خبری talk بگو. Pilar, father. Father in Pashto is called Pilar. Zama Pilar Derecha Salaiwo. My father was a good man. Zama Pilar Yauderecha Salaiwo. My father was a very good man. Zama means my father. Zama Pilar. My father was a good man. Dera very. Dera means very good man. Kha good means kha. Salai means man. O was. This is a past tense. When you talk about someone or something, you add O. O means was.